Hey y'all, well as you can see I've got this red Strat out. I've taken it apart, put it all together and everything, and I just wasn't, I'd already told you I was going to refinish it anyway, so I'm just going to be refinishing earlier than I thought I was, but got it all put together and I just was not happy with the way the high E string was sitting on that fretboard. And I've tried everything. The bridge is going to have to be moved like a half a millimeter or a millimeter probably, but I'm going to plug these bridge holes, the mounting holes, and remount that bridge and move it over a little bit. That's what I'm doing right now, putting some plugs in. And let me think. The Bex Gear guitar is ready to put together. I need to hit it, that spot that I fixed, with some clear coat, and I'm waiting to do that. So when I open that can of 2K up and I'm spraying that Stu-Mac guitar, I can do them both at the same time. And I might get to that today, so we'll see. But right now I'm going to glue these dowel rods in here. And that's about it. Shame this one little millimeter is keeping this guitar from playing right. That's the way it is sometimes. I've sanded this end down on this rod a little bit to make it fit in these holes. Randy, hand me that can right there, that spray can. Right there, yeah. Check this out, fellas. I was about the last holdout on the sprayway train. But thanks to our buddy over there, Chris at BCG 5150, I finally broke down and got me some. I haven't tried it yet, but I will be. Oh yeah, we've got a neck for the Harley guitar. So I'll be doing that here pretty quick. I also got the, I'm using that Bex Gear neck that I pulled the frets on for it. So I'll be getting that neck ready. I got this inlay stickers for it and everything. I've never used those. I've seen Chris use them, and they seem to work pretty good, but we'll put them on there. If you don't like them, I'll just take them off. It says it doesn't leave any residue behind. I think I'm going to have to step over to the sander and grind this rod down a little bit to fit these next 3 holes. Yep, hang on a second. There's a little more. These dowel rods are hard maple dowel rods, so what I'll do after I get them glued in there, I'll put some CA glue on the tip of the dowel rod to keep it from separating on that end grain. This is one of the prettiest guitars I've built, I thought, but wasn't going to do much good if that E string kept falling off the fretboard. Well, that hole ain't big enough for this rod. It's too big. What's going on in all your all's world today? Who's building what? I'm just using a little tight bond wood glue for this. Should hold it pretty good. As small as I'm moving this bridge, I don't think I'll have any problem with them string throughs. And if I do, we'll figure something out. That's only a 5-hole bridge, so that'll do it. Might as well pull this ground wire out of there. Maybe. Got it embedded in the finish now. Well,
here's part.
I don't know what I did with my pocket knife. It ain't in my pocket. Thank you. Alright, well that's it for now, man. I got so much crap going on, I don't even know where to start telling you about everything, but I'll film throughout the day what I'm doing here, just figure it out as we go. But I'll see y'all here in a while. Take care.